Hey, what's up everyone? Actually, there are big people say GoPro Selfie. Selfie people will say phone. The A. You are the phone. And as I always say with you, that sheep are happy for thee and happy see a bear for Saturday Selfie picture. If you want to shoot or phone, say tap phone.
Add it up.
Using GoPro app, you use the screen, you know when the everything point at you see right arrow. Say present turn button. For tap and for the button.
Add it up.
If you are testing to see on GoPro ever, I'm afraid to ask me a movie mouth with a bad arrow while you are older for. Don't bother me, she hates you think. Set up the GoPro for tap. Start shoot. You will see right that. Have a chance to save me.
Add it up.
Suicide over and over until you feel satisfied. First you take face on background and trash the other. Then you run out over you. And the more you think, the more you do how you act. The more when I feel at the phone, or that be perfect. Other options, I find a perfect set of positions. Be round is very powerful for and so you can beautiful scene. This is perfect iron for GoPro. GoPro for pop, GoPro picture. You really see picture. Actually, say cyber, say side, or say side.
Add it up.
That is the fourth title. physical rush. Begin a sub-up if you saw 6 p.m. and say we are afraid. Since you saw 6 p.m.